I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful 10-minute free method for affiliate marketing that will allow you to generate up to $500 a day, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. I'm going to share every single step as far as how to find a good product to promote, a little known free hack to get endless content to use to post online, and even towards the end of the video, how to post this content to get the most traffic and clicks to your affiliate link so you can rake in money day in and day out. So be sure you watch the entire training. Now, real quick, I want to share some recent proof so you can see I know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money online. So you can see right here, I actually received a Facebook message from one of my viewers and they said, Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week now. Thank you. I love receiving these messages and I would love, as you watch this entire video and apply it, for you to be my next success story. So without further ado, I want to dive straight into today's tutorial. So the best and easiest way is to promote a high ticket product. This is a product that costs more for someone to buy, but you need way less sales. So clickbank.com is one place you can find these type of products. You just go here, click start here right there. And then you go ahead and answer these simple questions to go ahead and register for an account. Now, once you're inside of ClickBank, you go ahead and log in and access different products. So if you decide to use ClickBank to find products to promote for this strategy, then you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace and they have all these different categories. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to be using e-business, e-marketing. Now, I will say ClickBank is not my favorite place to find products to promote. The payouts are a little bit slow. What you can do is you can actually go to the first link below, check out that free training, which reveals how to get paid instant 100% commissions. But for this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank. Okay, so once you're inside of the e-business, e-marketing category right there, we want to actually go up here and sort results by average dollar per conversion. And we want to actually look at this right here because this is going to allow us to make a lot more money per sale. Okay, so if our goal is $1,000 with affiliate marketing, if we promote one product that pays us $1,000, then it's going to be a lot easier than making hundreds of sales, making a very small amount of money. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to look at the gravity score because this tells us how well this product's selling. So you don't just want to look at this, you actually want to look at this too and make sure it's ideally, at least 20, at least 30. Okay, so we can kind of go through and we want to find one that has a good average dollar per conversion with a higher gravity score. This one right here, so this has $468 per average conversion and then a gravity score of 32, okay, which is actually pretty good. This one actually has a little bit better gravity score and it's close to the average dollar per conversion, perpetual income 365. I'll just choose this product for this video. So again, with this, you would only need 2 sales to hit your goal of $1,000. So now if you're using ClickBank, you just click promote and you just click create hop link and then we copy our affiliate link at the bottom right there and then we can put it in a notepad file to actually keep this handy. Oh, and if you're the kind of person who just wants to follow a proven path, grab my free affiliate toolkit below. It includes the exact funnel and tools I use daily to generate leads and commissions so you're not starting from scratch. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna actually use ChatGPT. So if you don't have an account, just go to chatgpt.com, create a free account, but I know a lot of my viewers probably already use it. Now, once you're here, we're gonna paste in a prompt so we can actually generate us an article that we can promote, segueing people to wanna buy our offer. So I actually have a copy paste prompt you can actually use. It's gonna be in the description below. And basically it's gonna say, write a blog post around 600 words, which is a good sweet spot on how many words, titled, How I Achieved Desired Result with Offer Typer Strategy in 2025. So what we're going to do is replace desired result with the desired result that the offer you're promoting has. And then offer typer strategy, that's going to be what type of offer you're actually promoting. And it says the tone should be beginner friendly and casual, include simple tips and lessons. And then we want to end the post with a call to action like, if you want to learn how I did it, click here to check out the same system I used. Okay, so the point of this article that we're going to generate, and then I'll share how to promote, is to get people reading value. And then when they get to the bottom, clicking our call to action to go ahead and buy our product. Okay, so I went ahead and rewrote this. Now let's imagine the product that's high ticket that I'm promoting teaches people how to make daily affiliate commissions And let's say it focuses on TikTok marketing. So I went ahead and replaced the prompt right there. And now all we have to do is copy this prompt, go into ChatGPT, and then literally just paste that in and hit enter. And in a matter of seconds, it will literally generate that 600-word article. So after a few seconds, it literally created this entire valuable article that we can go ahead and copy and paste. You can see at the very bottom, it says, if you want to learn how I did it, click here to check out the same system, which will lead to our affiliate link. So now all we have to do is go ahead and distribute this article across different platforms online so people can find it, get value, click this link, and buy our high ticket affiliate offers on autopilot. Now, a little bit later in this video, I'll show you a free resource that can skyrocket your affiliate earnings. But first, very first place we're gonna go is medium.com. So just go to that site and you can create a free account. Now, once you're here, what Medium is a site where you can actually post articles. So people post articles on here and they also read them. There's millions of visitors that go to this site and read these articles to get value and find out new information. So once you're on here, we want to go to the top where it says write. Okay, and we want to click on that, and that's going to allow us to actually create an article. So once we're here, for the title, we just want to literally go back to ChatGPT, and then we want to just copy this title that it gave us, just like this. And then we want to go back and we want to copy all of this right here for the body of the article. Okay, so just go ahead and copy all of that right there and then paste that in. And you can see it's already formatted with headlines and titles like that. And then the last thing you need to do is go to the bottom, and then where it's highlighted here, we just want to highlight that, click this little paperclip, and we want to paste in our affiliate link. So let's imagine our affiliate link is google.com. That would be our affiliate link. We hit enter, and now anytime someone reads this and they click here, it's going to lead them to our affiliate link. The last step is to just go to the top and click publish, and then publish now. So now this is published, people start finding it and buying our affiliate offers on autopilot. Now, another site you can post this article is vocal.media. So once you go to this site right here, you again just create a free account, and this is very similar to Medium. They have all these people posting articles and blog posts, and you can actually go and look at the top stories, and you can look at the latest stories. And so a lot of people visit this site. It's a very popular site for people to, again, learn information. So we want to go to the top where it says create story, click there. And then for the title, we just want to post in the same title. Okay, so go back up to the top. We want to just copy that title here, paste that in. And then right here where it says start writing, we just want to, again, copy this article. Then go back here, paste. We just want to highlight where it has our call to action, click the paperclip again, paste in the affiliate link, click here to submit it. Now for vocal.media, you do need to add a subtitle, which I just added here saying read on. And then you do need to actually have an image. Just click up splash image right here, and you can just type in something related. So I could say laptop, because that's usually related to making money online. I can just choose this one right here. Okay, and then just click save changes at the top. And then once you do that, submit for review. You can choose a community, okay? So if you want to look for a specific one related to your niche, so I can just do education, add a tag, okay? I can just do, how to, and then publish. And there we go. So one other place I recommend you go to actually promote these articles to get traffic and sales is reddit.com. So the way Reddit works is they have different subreddits that you can actually join and post in related to your niche. So you want to search Reddit right here, and we want to search some words that have to do with your niche. So if you were in the health and fitness niche, you could type in health, or fitness like this, and then you could see these different communities here. But for the sake of this, we're going to do entrepreneur, since this is about affiliate marketing and things like that. So you can choose one of these communities, okay? And then often you're allowed to actually make a post. So you can join this subreddit here, and then you can create a post like this. Now, in the title, okay, you can say something like, I found this very interesting, okay, because this is going to pique people's interest. And then for the body, what we want to do is we want to actually use something like this, okay? Now, you can't directly link to your affiliate link on Reddit, but what you can do is actually link to your Medium article, So the article that we posted on Medium. So we're going to copy this right here, go to Reddit, post this in the body. And what this basically says is that, here's a short article I just wrote breaking down what helped me start high ticket affiliate marketing in 2025. Now you would tailor this to whatever your niche is. So what helped me start lose weight in 2025? What helped me start dating again in 2025, right? Whatever niche you're in. And then what we want to do is go back to Medium, and the article that we posted, we want to copy this URL, go back to here, paste that in, okay? And then you would just post it like that. And then all the people in that subreddit would see this. Some people will get curious. They'll go to the Medium article, they'll read over it, get a lot of value. And then some people will even click here, going to your affiliate page and deciding to buy. This method works incredibly well and anyone can do it. So again, if you're someone who likes things done for you, definitely grab the toolkit below. It's free and it gives you the exact system I use to generate affiliate commissions with as little effort as possible. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.